want you.
Hello, Sam. She don't want you either. See? Thanks, Ariane. See?
You gave up on me. Come here, Nyla. She don't know which one to go to. She just don't.
She won. Ariane, see?
You scare me.
She only a baby. She's like,
Hold down.
dance, dance. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. That's how we shake our booties. And she tried to do the stanky leg when she fell down. Oh, we quiet, Sam.
I will. She just like, she tried to hit me.
Get out of her face.
Don't suck on your fingers. Girl, what are you talking to? I will kick you across this.
Beat her up.
She said, she gonna choke on her fingers.
You can sing. She got her. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Is you trying to choke me? I think she's trying to choke me.
You being bad.